Hi, dear learners, welcome. Today we will solve numericals based on income method. This method is also called factor income method. So there are steps to calculate income, national income from this method. Dear learners, as you know, there are three methods of calculating national income. There are three methods of calculating national income, and income method is one among them. So there are steps to calculate income method. I am writing here step 1. In step 1, what you need to do, you will simply calculate net domestic product at factor cost, because in this method we are adding the income of the factors. Okay, so income of the factors include compensation of implies, we will write it shortly in as COE plus compensation of implies plus operating surplus, which we can write as OS, plus mixed income of the self-employed. Now these are the three variables which we add to reach at national income, mixed income of self-employed. Now compensation of implies में क्या आएगा? What we need to include compensation of implies. In compensation of implies includes salaries and wages, okay, of workers. Operating surplus includes rent, profits, okay, royalty. All these things are included in operating surplus. And what is this mixed income? Mixed income of self-employed. You know, self-employed person do n number of jobs. Okay, for example, he has put his capital in a particular business, and he is contributing his own capital, own labor. Okay, so it is not possible for us to separate these different incomes in case of self-employed person. Therefore we have taken a broad category called mixed income. It includes all those income of self-employed. It may include rent of the building of self-employed person, his own labor. All these things are included in self-employed. So broadly there are three things which we require to calculate to reach at domestic income. Okay, domestic income. We also call it domestic income. Okay, now second step is what you ultimately want to calculate, that is national income. Now we know that national income or NNP at factor cost. We also call national income as NNP at factor cost, net national product at factor cost, which is simply equals to NTP at factor cost plus net factor income from abroad. So for calculating national income, you will add net factor income from abroad. This is your domestic income. Okay, this is domestic income, and this is income from abroad. This is FIFA minus theta. Okay, foreign income from abroad minus foreign income to abroad. We will reach at net factor income from abroad. This is net factor income from abroad. Okay, so this is the way to reach at national income through income method. We will solve its numericals, and we will see in details what are the different variables that are included in compensation of implies, What are the different variables that are included in operating surplus, and what are the different variables included in self-employed, and how we reach at that national product at factor cost or national income. There may be different variables you need, different variables that may be asked in exam. That suppose you need to calculate GDP at market price or GNP at market price. So there are different ways through which you can calculate all these variables. Okay. Now see the question. I have already written here question. You have to calculate GDP at market price. Okay, GDP at market price. Look, you are calculating national income through income method. Now the question come in your mind that why we need to calculate GDP at market price, because we have seen that this method we calculate GDP at market price through value added method, which but here we want to derive national income through income method. We will see in detail how we can calculate GDP at market price through income method also. These are the variables which are already given to us. This is mixed income of self-employed, which is 2,82,670. Subsidies are already given, which are 11,200. Rent, interest and profits, these are given together. Okay, we can also say it as operating surplus, which the entrepreneur have to levy from its side, his side. Okay, these are rent, interest and profits. The figure is 96,370. Consumption of fixed capital, which you can also say it is depreciation. It is depreciation of fixed capital, which is 40,460. Net factory income from abroad and FIA, it is in negative terms, minus 2,550. Compensation of employees is given here as 1,44,200, and indirect taxes are 88,340. Now first of all we will see how we can calculate GDP at market price. See how we calculate GDP at market price. GDP at market price is equals to, first of all we will see what is our domestic income, NDP at factor cost, plus, because we want to go from net to gross, so for this we need to add depreciation here. Okay, and what next? Because we want to convert it from factor price to market price. For that we need to add net indirect taxes. Okay, net indirect taxes. Now see how the things are going on here. For calculating domestic income, I have already told you the step of calculating, first step of calculating domestic income, which is simply compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income of self-employed. Okay, mixed income of self-employed, plus we have already added depreciation, plus what is net indirect taxes? It is simply indirect taxes minus subsidies. Now in question it is already given what is compensation of employees. Compensation of employees here is 1,44,200 plus what is operating surplus? Operating surplus means rent, interest and profit. Operating surplus means rent, interest and profit. Now what is operating surplus here? 96,370 plus, now the mixed income of self-employed. Mixed income of self-employed is given as 2,82,670. Okay, you have completed up to here. Plus depreciation is already given. Depreciation means consumption of fixed capital, which is 40,460 plus what you need to add more, depreciation plus indirect taxes. Indirect taxes are already given, 88,340 plus minus subsidies. Subsidies are also given here, 11,200 200. Now by doing the simple calculation, 5,23,240 by plus 40460 as it is given already. Okay, 88,340 minus 11,200 is 77,140. This further implies GDP at market price is equals to, if we add all these three terms, we get 6,40,840 crores. Okay, so this is how you can reach at GDP at market price. Okay, these were the variables which were already given to you. Now what you have done here, you have simply calculated the net domestic product at factor cost, and for reaching at gross you have added depreciation, and to convert the factor price into market price, because at market price we have to pay taxes, so we will add here taxes to reach at market price, Now this is a simple calculation you have followed. The NDP at factor cost is equal to compensation of employees plus operating surplus plus mixed income of self-employed. Now to reach at gross figure, we have added depreciation and net and indirect taxes minus subsidies. By following the simple calculation, you reach at GDP at market price. Now we have calculated GDP and market price. Now we will calculate GDP at factor cost. Okay, GDP at factor cost. Let us see how we can do this. Now see, we are calculating GDP at factor cost. We have already calculated GDP at market price. Now GDP at factor cost is equals to GDP at market price minus indirect taxes, net indirect taxes. So here GDP at market price you have already calculated, it is 6,40,840. Now indirect taxes means net indirect taxes means indirect taxes minus subsidies. Okay, now what is indirect tax? Indirect tax is 88,340 minus subsidies 11,200. Okay, by solving it, GDP at factor cost is equals to, it is 5,63,700 crores. Okay, we are calculating it in crores. Now GDP at factor cost, GDP at factor cost is equals to 5,63,700 crore. Okay, this is the formula. Now the third thing is we need to calculate, have to calculate national income by income method. Okay, income method means we should calculate it from factor cost. Okay, so let us see how we can do it. NNP at factor cost. We have already calculated GDP at factor cost. Okay, which is equals to GDP at factor cost. To reach at net figure, we need to deduct depreciation and to reach at from domestic to national, we need to add net factor income from abroad. Now you have these terms already given in question. GDP at factor cost you have calculated 5,63,700 minus what is depreciation. Consumption of fixed capital here is 40,460 plus net factor income from abroad. Net factor income from abroad, it is minus 2550. Okay, it is 563700 minus 40460 minus 2550, 5,20,690 crores. This implies N and P at factor cost is equals to 5,20,690 crore. So this is how we can calculate national income through income method. Depending on the variables already given in the question, you can solve, you can find gross domestic product at market cost, factor cost, or N and P at factor cost. You are asked national income by income method. It means you need to calculate N and P at factor cost. You need to calculate N and P at factor cost. Now in this question, you need to calculate national income by income method. It means you have to calculate N and P at factor cost. See, these are the different variables which are already given to you. Okay, the figures are in crore. Now look, you have to calculate net national product at factor cost, national income, or N and P at factor cost, which is equals to net national product at factor cost is equals to domestic income plus NFIA. Okay, now you need to add the different terms which are given here, but what we are going to add and what we will leave, we have to see here. Wages and salary are included in compensation of employees, so we will include wages and salary, which it is equals to wages and salary plus, here you can see social security contribution. Now this comes in compensation of employees. Social security contribution comes in compensation of employees. Social security contribution plus old age pension is not included in national income because it is not paid for productive work. Okay, so we will not include here old age pension. We will not include flood relief. Again, this is not factor income, this is not factor income. Okay, we are calculating national income by factor income method, or say income method. Then interest income, it comes in operating surplus, interest income, rent income, interest paid by government. Okay, all these things will be included, plus interest income, next is rent income plus dividend plus undistributed profit. It also comes in compensation of employees. Undistributed profit plus self-employed income. We also include self-employed income. Now you can put the values. You can put the values here, and you can see 1 lakh, okay, 1 lakh plus social security contribution 20,000 plus interest income 10,000 plus rent income 30,000 plus dividend 20,000 plus undistributed profit 10,000 plus self-implied income 80,000, okay, which is equals to 2,70,000. Okay, so finally we have calculated national income at factor cost, which is equals to 2,70,000. Now what we need to remember here, we should know the different variables that we should include while calculating income through this method. Okay, and for this we should understand what are the things that are included in compensation of employees. Okay, for example, it is included in compensation of employees, it is included in compensation of employees, and these are not included in calculation of national income. Okay, so we have added all these terms. We have added compensation of employees, we have added operating surplus, rent, interest, profit, dividend, we have added mixed income. Okay, we have put the values of these different variables and finally reached at national income.